Today's video is about warm tone eyeshadows. If you have a warm undertone, this video is for you because you will need to know some of the eyeshadow shades that are warm tone. And I'm also wearing gold earring. I'm a cool tone with a little bit of yellow in my skin, but I'm wearing gold earrings because at the end I will put a clip of me with warm undertone eyeshadow. I'll create a look and I'll put a clip in there for you. So watch the video all the way to the end. I fall in the silver earrings, silver jewelry, cool undertone. But because I am doing a warm undertone eyeshadow swatches, so you can see I'm wearing gold. Okay, that's all for you. Warm eyeshadows typically have an undertone of orange, gold, peach, and red. These warm eyeshadows works very well with warm skin undertones because it just makes your eyes pop. When you wear those shades on your eyes and your makeup looks different. That's when you know you're in the right palette. I mix all kinds of colors with, I mix warm with cool, cool with warm. I mix them because I love to play with colors. But if you want your eyes to pop, wear the shades that are for your undertone. If you're warm undertone, wear warm color eyeshadows. And I'll show you a couple swatches. When you wear the right undertone eyeshadow, it brings out the warmth of your skin tone. So now these are the swatches. I swatch them away from the camera so you can see the warm. You see how warm they are? This red here has a little bit of orange in it, the first one. Then if you notice, the other one is red. Then I put a brown. It's not showing up much, but it's a warm brown. Then I put a copper. Maybe now you can see it better, right? I turned down the light so you can see it better. This is another warm brown. This one right here is a terracotta brown. This one right here is a true red. Orange. This one is gold. And the last one is a bronze. These are some of the shades with the gold, the copper, the bronze, the terracotta, the peach, and the coral undertones. If you look at them, you can see them. I try to give you a couple swatches with different undertones so you can see. These are warm tone eyeshadow looks that will work with warm undertone skins. I will put a clip of me with a warm eyeshadow look in the end. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you always. Please share this video with someone else. Maybe that might just help them to get the eyeshadow looks to where they want it. Today's IM came from the card deck that is called How to Love Yourself. And today's I am encouraging word is everything I need comes to me in the perfect time. Everything I need comes to me in the perfect time. Until I see you and you see me, know that everything that comes to you, the timing is perfect. Everything that comes to you comes at the perfect timing. Keep watching for the clip, and I will see you in the next video.